In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate in FreshBooks, step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone trying to keep track of project costs, creating an accurate estimate is a crucial skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to generate and manage estimates with ease, helping you keep your financials organized and your clients informed. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser and head over to the FreshBooks website. To do this, simply type FreshBooks into your preferred search engine, or enter the URL directly if you have it. Once you're on the FreshBooks homepage, look for the Login button. This is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Once you're at the login page, you'll need to enter your FreshBooks account details. If you're unsure of your login credentials, make sure to check your email for any account verification messages that could help you. After you've entered your details, click the Login button to access your account dashboard. With the dashboard open, direct your attention to the Create New button. This button is your gateway to a variety of new documents, and it's typically located in the upper area of the dashboard. Once you click on Create New, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Here, you'll want to click on Estimate. This selection will redirect you to an estimate creation page where you can tailor an estimate to your project's needs. Next, you need to select a client to whom the estimate will be sent. If this is a returning client, they may already be in your system. You can simply search for the client's name and select them from the list. If this is a new client, you'll have the option to create a new client profile, complete with contact details. Now it's time to add the line items for the estimate. Click on Add a Line, which allows you to specify the details of the service or item, including the description and the price. You'll want to be as detailed as possible here, so your client knows exactly what to expect. Having added your items, you'll see an option to send the estimate immediately or save it for later. If you're ready, click Send To choose your client from the contact details you selected earlier, or click Save if you'd like to return to this later. This is a good time to review your estimate for accuracy. Finally, once everything is saved, you'll want to review your estimate to ensure it looks just as you want it. Clicking on View Estimate allows you to see a preview exactly how your client will see it. And there you have it, a comprehensive and detailed estimate ready in FreshBooks. By following these steps, you ensure clear and professional communication with your clients about project pricing and expectations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.